Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. So I'm just want to video sharing with you guys very quickly because my kids is still playing outside, so I have to take this change and videoing very quick. As you can see, we have these new products from Prima Marketing. So this one is called Poetic Rose. Poetic Rose, I hope I pronounced it correctly. Poetic Rose. As you can see, we have so many goodies. The colors are so pretty and soft and just oh my gosh, it's just so lovely. So we have these, as you can see, we have the B6. This is the first time they have this size, B6 size, for the traveler's notebooks. It is such a gorgeous traveler notebook, with the florals and with the rose gold essence. So and then we have the notebook set, the coordinate with the TN. We have so many, the papers, the journal cards, embellishments, stickers, flowers, and washi tapes as well. So let me put everything on the side and so I can show you one at a time. So first of all, we have these 3x4 journaling knot cards. So okay, let me show you the inside. So we have these quotes, a few sheets of each, and they are all double-sided. And the next one, so few sheets as well. They all have the same backside pattern, and so pretty. I love all of the quotes. We can make projects or cards or even put it in our planner for motivation and inspiration quotes. Friends, and then the smile. See, I just love all of these inspiration quotes. So everyone is so pretty and beautifully made, with the colors are so pretty, just perfect for any occasion or for the upcoming spring. So many quotes we can use just from this one pad of note cards. Next we have this one is the 4x6 journaling note cards. Pretty same with this one, just a slightly bigger, and we almost have the same quotes, just different, slightly different designs. So this is a must to have these note cards. I just love it. So pretty. They are all so pretty. Oh my god, look at this, the flowers on the back, so pretty. And then we have the tickets. We have 36 pieces in a pack. So this is such a cute idea addition to make for the planner, supplies, accessories for the cards making and projects. So cute. So we can like tear it out like this, so make it as like a sticker, like a ticket. As you can see, so cute, right? And next we have this embellishment set in crystals, so sparkling. So this one is, just look at the colors in these crystals. This one is like have the gold, like what you say, gold flakes inside this crystal. We have the pale blush pink, blue, the soft like pastel green, so pretty. Okay, next we have these flowers, different flowers. The picture truly do not do justice. The colors in person are really soft and so pretty compared with the what you see on the in the screen. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Look at all of these different sizes, different shapes and colors in just one pack. This is so pretty. And look at these 3D butterflies and flowers with this gem on the center. Then we have different flowers. It's bigger, so we have a couple of flowers. These flowers are made of paper and they are all handmade. Look at the gems, the crystal, rhinestone, embellishment, and this one with the pearl. It is so cute. Oh my gosh. And look at this one is almost similar with this one, just slightly itty bitty, slightly bigger, with all of these beads on the center. And we have the smaller difference, like one layer of flower, each of flower with this glitter, some with on the some of the flowers. Then we have different shapes, and then we have the ephemera. So this one, it comes with the acetate die cuts, and then we also have this in cardstock die cuts. So let me show you really quick. Okay, here we have the acetates. As you can see, so pretty. Look at all of these. Then we have maybe I just put on the bottom and show you one at a time. Look at this one, love. Then we have the florals, and then another floral. And this is like, what is it? Oh la la, ooh la la, oh ooh la la. Few laces. Oh my gosh, they are so pretty. I cannot wait to use this on my planner setup. And then we have let me put this back, put it back. Oh, sorry, it's kind of tricky. Okay, next we have the cardstock ephemera. Such a pretty, look at all of this, so many pieces in one pack, so pretty. And then so many florals one, and then we also have the quotes, cute. And then we also have a different pack. This one ephemera and stickers. As you can see, here's the back side for you to let you know what we have in the contents in this pack. This is the sticker. I think the die cuts are slightly different. I think I'm gonna take them out and show you. Okay. So here we have the die cuts. So pretty. Oh my gosh, look at this. I love this one. So this one is more like florals and flowers. So this the die cuts in this pack is we have more like these borders frame, quotes like smaller deco ones, like words, something like that. So pretty. And then here is the sticker. We have so many different stickers we can use for the spreads. Okay, next we go to the washi tapes that coordinate with this collection, Poetic Rose. Okay, we have 3 different designs and sizes. So this one is the stripes. Okay, let me unroll it. Okay, here how it looks like. Then the next one, this one is like a standard regular size, which is 25mm. So pretty, isn't it? It's just so pretty with this like vintage pink, and then with the, I think we have this pink foil essence on the throughout the washi tape. Yeah, we have the pink. I'm not sure if you can see it. There is a pink foil over there, and then here we have the like floral ones. Getting my kids, they are back, so I'm gonna show you this really quick, and then I'll go downstairs and then come back again really quick. Okay, let me put everything on the side. Then I'm gonna show you this paper pad with foil. This is 12 by 12. So as you can see, we have this rose gold foil for this 12 by 12. Only 12 by 12 paper that comes with the foil. Besides, other than this, like the A4 size and 6 by 6, they don't have the foil. So just want to let you know, so only for the 12 by 12 the papers come with the rose gold or accent. So this is so pretty. Okay, first one we have these pretty designs, and then here is the back side. So we have 4 seats of each design. So the next design is this pretty like what you call this, the blue, like a periwinkle blue for the base, then with the all of florals, and then of course with the rose gold accent, if you can see. Then this is the back side. Okay, for next to the next design, this is such a pretty paper. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh my god. And we have the pretty, the back paper, the back side. This is so pretty. Okay, then next design is this like a kind of collage design. We can like cut this out and then use it for as a journaling card, or we can also just cut it out and then take one, put on one of our planner sheet pages, and for the motivation, inspiration. This is so pretty. So, and then this is the back side. We have the green plate or checks or gingham, whatever it calls. And then next design is this like grid, or what you call this, a check on the background. And we have the flowers on the face, and then of course the rose gold essence. So pretty. Then this is the back side, how it looks like. So, and then next one, last but not least, this is the last one. So pretty. This is like soft gray, and then white, and then rose gold essence. This is the corner. So pretty. Thing like I can do like cut this like this size, and then make it as a dashboard or divider. So pretty. This is the back side, looks like. Okay, that's all for the paper pad. It is such a pretty pad. You have to have this. It's truly gorgeous. Okay, and then save for the last, I'm gonna show you the travel notebook and the notebook set. Ta-da! Okay, let's show you the traveler journal first. Okay, every TN from My Prima Planner comes with this clear durable box, so we can like it is reusable. You can store any things inside, or as a pack for the gift. This is such a pretty box, and look at the TN, so pretty. Oh my god, oh my goodness, so happy. I'm so excited with this TN. Look at this, so pretty. Oh my gosh. So the white is not really pure white. So for what I see, it is more like off-white. Yeah, it is off-white, but still so gorgeous with all of the florals. Oh my gosh, look at this. It is such a gorgeous TN. Oh my god, love it. Look at the logo with this rose gold foil, and then we have the white elastic strap, and then this is the interior. This off-white leather, so many pockets, and I love this window pocket. It's pretty wide. I think it is 3, yeah, I think, no, it's slightly maybe 3 inches. Yeah, so many pockets here, so pretty. We have 4 straps, elastic, and 1 pocket on the back. Here is the pen loop. See, so pretty. Oh my god. Then let me show you the coordinated notebook set. Also, this, we can do not toss this box away. We can use it again for something else. And look at so it comes with 3 different notebooks in a set or in a box. So this is the first one. The first one is comes with the blank pages, and then the next one, yeah, this is, oh my gosh, I love this. This is a weekly insert. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. I just love it. I can use this right away. Then the next notebook is the, I think these are monthly plans. This is the monthly one. So they are all under it. It is perfect. So we can use it, and wherever you feel you want to, we can start it, use it anytime we want it. So pretty. So we have few pages for the blank on the back side. And so, okay, let me try to put this. What if I gonna put this here? Okay, next we have the weekly. Then this is the blank pages. So one strap left. This one I'm gonna put it set up, create a pocket folder and then put it here using the paper pad. So pretty. I am in love with this planner. Oh my gosh, it is just so pretty. I'm serious, so pretty. Oh my god. Again, I am sorry if you regularly watch my video, you will find that I am not that talkative and not really talk that much, because my English is not very good, but I'm still trying my hard to explain it and describe everything that I could. So if you have any question, you definitely feel free to let me know, and you can leave the comment on the description box down below, or you can reach me out on my Instagram account or Facebook, anywhere else. So I will try my best to answer you as soon as I can. So I think we can this is the end of the video for this collection. I'm gonna show you for another collection in the next separate video. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Again, thank you for watching. I hope to see you again next time. Bye bye.